This is the Quest 2 factory headset. First, you want to remove the factory head strap and bands. This is the boom of the Quest 2 headset. You want to start by just gently prying away the strap from the boom and then remove the top Velcro. And there is the hinge from the factory headset. The boom does not come out, so leave that alone. I went and removed the face mask so you could see a better picture of it inside, but normally this goes here, and to take this off you gently just pull straight out. I already did that though. So now, hello, this is the installation video for what we call it, the double ultimate DAS FrankenQuest 2 adapters. The reason why we call it the double ultimate, because like our previous version, this doubles it. The first version only had the single adapter printed in one piece. Now we came up with two pieces and they're both great, so we'll show you how to install this. So the idea between this is that you mount this onto these. It comes with 4 pieces, so left and right. The left one has a notch, the right one does not, so it'll go that way into the right side of this Quest headset. Left side, right side, these base adapters. Then you have the covers. The cover, again, the notch is the left side, so it'll go there. It'll cover up the base adapters, and the DAS, the Deluxe audio strap, will fit right there, and it'll sandwich it between. We have these notch here, and the cover, the corresponding ridges or notches that snaps into place once you cover it. So this is our second design for this, and it's turning out great. So we're going to be using this design for ourselves. So let's go ahead and proceed. The best way we found out is to go ahead, and it's going to be a tight fit. So first we want to place the left one, and you hear a snap. Place the left one, the notch again, the cable, and that goes onto this nipple. You'll hear it click, and it should go right inside the corresponding hole here on the head or the band of the Deluxe audio strap. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, it's in the way. It's all the way. It's all inside here. The adapter, you can tell is flush. Okay, so now what we want to do is, if you want to use a cover, which is optional, the cover you don't need to. If you don't need the cover, then, or if you didn't buy the cover, then just go ahead and mount it here. And doing that, we found out the best is to put on your lap and put this, the front first, secure it down, and then push it in on the corner. It'll snap into place. So we're gonna go ahead and put the cover, and what you want to do is line up this groove and this groove. So I'm going to start at the bottom. The bottom also have a groove, and you want to line that up right there. You could see, or you could feel it going inside. Okay, and then once it's in place, you want to give it a good squeeze on the right and kind of just work up this way and apply pressure. It takes about, I would estimate, 15 to 20 pounds of pressure. So there's quite a bit of pressure, but it won't break as long as you hold the corner and give it a good squeeze until you hear it snap. Let me see if I can do that here. And there we go. There is no play whatsoever. Okay, and now that we have the left side in, we want to go ahead and do that, and let's attach it here. Before I'm gonna, well, let me see what I should do. Okay, I'll do the right side as well. It's kind of a pain to do it because once you put it in, it's hard to remove, but I'll just show for the completeness. There we go. It's a bad angle here. Okay, So now I'll put the covers on. Okay, there we go. The bottom, I heard it snap in. Now it's time to apply the pressure to give the other side a squeeze. And there we go. It's locked into place. So that isn't going anywhere. You can see. Now you want to go ahead and attach it to the Quest. Again, the technique is to start from the front, lock it in, and ideally you want to put this on your lap. But let's see if I can do it from here. Might be easier to remove the face foam and take that out. I've shown how to do that in my previous video, as well as removing the factory strap. So go ahead and refer to my other first video, which we'll link here. The face foam, it is actually in the way, so I think it's best to remove it. Now I'll have more clearance to work on it. And you heard that snap, and it's in now. Okay, and same thing with the right side. There we go. It is in, and this is the final setup. That completes the installation. So we're gonna have better designs. This is the plain style, but we're gonna have the logo and whatever else needs to be customized. So as you can see, it's very, very secure, and I would say this is the double ultimate version. Thank you for watching.